To start proceedings from the school end. Salman.
Yeah, this is where he. So the first boundary is at third man.
The third man fielder is a lot straighter. He's very straight. This is a thicker edge, and the intent shown, as they say. Pakistan there, the first boundary of the innings. Easy. Oh, he connects this time around. Gone the distance, the first six of the match, the first six of the final.
How he fares against the new ball. He likes to go big, takes his chance, good enough connection, clears the bound in the second over.
10 runs off this over. More over the mid-wicket fielder to clear the infield for 4.
This is not the stylishly. Yeah, he's a good timer of the ball over the fielder at square leg. And
oh, that is tremendous. Got the height, and it's gone the distance to
what a great shot that is. Charges down the goes to 18, and this is how he brought about this stroke. Easy paced. It's not looking like a Gabba pitch or not.
Oh, the bat handle came loose
Of the handle, and the ball just skied up.
Henel Patel tastes success. The Pakistan.
The bowler Patel gets his revenge. He bowls, maintains, going after the ball, and this time losing the grip. The captain Ayush, and the ball of the handle, and the ball just skied up for 1.
Does. Oh, that's played away in the air, and that's going to be 4.
This is very good from Osman. On the boundary, gets the confidence, and Kumar clearly is struggling. Bowl the right areas. Usman Khan can gain some confidence.
Khan, who was in that squad, there was Deepak Hooda as well. Samir. Lots of names. We keep bringing them to you for the moment.
And lots of current superstars.
In the air, the third man there. Henel Patel was struggling there, and let's go. It's a good delivery, catch. Let's take a look at that replay of the last ball of the previous over. He was the man.
This is the just previous ball where Osman is slashed it, and for the fielder Patel down there, and he was unable. There are so many players wearing the sunglasses, but the
and fished at it, Usman. Now looks for a single. That's intelligent bat. Well, the important part is now you've already crossed. Clipped away. Ball might have the legs to take it over the ropes. It does. That's 4 more.
Early on. This is Samir Minhas.
Punched away. Timing superb. Usman Khan
Is moving around. He looks deaf, eyes wide open, just a push. Ja coming down few steps, very brave, because this is
well left, well watched. 16 of.
I won't say all, but yes, India have just missed that trick here. Beautiful delivery. That's where they want to get to 280 to 80 plus. Then it will be very.
Do you go onto the back foot? Do you go onto the front foot? As Jeffrey Boycott called it, the core expensive in his 3, Erd in line. Devendran.
We know of him now.
He's got a haircut, hasn't he? Oh, he's taken the bowler on.
All the way, and he's not scared to play it in the air because he's. That's Samir Minhas for you. Looks so elegant all the way, and he's not scared to play it in the air because he's. And have a look at this already. Atish 4 6s.
Wanted to point this out. You saw where Dipesh Devendran landed his foot? It was there, and he was trying to tonk it around. Good thinking by the Pakistan under-19 camp.
This one is being pulled beautifully, but
19 are scoring at the rate that those skyscrapers are going, and he's become the prior to that. He oozes class, doesn't he? Kishan comes back into the attack. A change of ends for something, because to be fair, he's usually been very.
yeah, just third. on the...
It'll be clipped. They start. Oh no! Oh no! Misfield. What? Gorgeous
stuff. That is reminds me of Saeed Anwar. He used to hit them.
It ain't over till it's over. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon.
Cluster of wickets in no time, so they got to keep believing. Zahoor getting 18 important runs of 14. Usman Khan is... Ayan Misbah was taking the game away from them, and then I think from that moment onwards, Pakistan looked like a
Pulled away, fielded. A shot fine, bearing down, but Sarfaraz needs a blanket. It is a little cold, isn't it?
Pakistan. They've been very dominant. They've been very confident.
Short pitch, and this time Usman climbed.
But that was a different, same surface, which was behaving differently then.
It is Super Sunday. The crowd is gone towards square leg.
We had just not worked for, but not to be. It's Pakistan's morning so far. Excellent catch to bring back the spirit. 91 for one. This partnership sick. There was no one there. There was one fielder inside circle.
Winner. So safe that
it's an attacking option now, because having fielder inside, just the way he does it, right on top of it. There was no one there. There was one fielder inside circle.
Those skyscrapers, akin to those of Dubai. Here Minhas has showcased his mentality, his tenacity.
This shows that he's not done yet. The commit.
Straight down. But they did manage to take that single.
The field is low at the moment.
Tournament, they've had difficult outings against India, then
The former captain. And then gives you that feel somebody has done it himself.
Under 19 have got themselves a start. And this has been an has taken one wicket. The rest of the bowlers haven't just been able to get their... Oh, Jade, how often it is that there's a momentum. Oh, that was a return. Opportunities.
Well, that's opportunity number 3. Just look at... see, those should be taken.
And the ICC Academy, there are some nice places to sit and watch the game.
Again, the slog sweep. In runs and a very useful shot against the off spinner. Look at that sweep. Just going over the man at short square leg, so becomes a very safe. Oh, bold. This is very good ball.
Oh, makes room from the field. There will only be 2 runs. Good effort down there from the pace.
Possible turn. So the ball is not turning. Look, he's going leg side because it's if he'll be hitting against the turn, if it grips and bounces, the chances are...
On the money. Sarfaraz Ahmed. And what a character in World Cup for them. That was against India. Low. Will go down to the boundary for 4. Expensive over that.
They're looking good for India unless they arrest this. Because
Score. That can go. God, all the way to 497.
look here. Well, the fielder did very well. India's day. They've been missing things that India wanted. He's out for 35.
But it only gave away extra 3 runs because after he was dropped, couldn't capitalize on that opportunity. You will ask yourself, right? That has been good bowling from...
Looking so good with that partnership. And India didn't look like this missing.
Watchful Samir Minhas won the run. Well, Roshan, you were asking about how effective the spinners will be. Kelan. Now,
After the wicket of Minhas. If Minhas last wicket, it was a and very nearly, but good recovery. India will be back in the game big time. Batter, but to me, the scalp is Minhas.
we've seen him just manufacturing the shot. Because how often we've seen in cricket, it's in the batting side that looks really good, could be put on the back foot. And that's the responsibility on his shoulders. So just completing my... Comes down the track. This is good.
Yeah, now...
Oh, almost a return catch. 3. Pakistan under 19 have won 5. And this.
And also, this is good running against a left-arm spinner. So he's clever cricket, very those fielders close in to prevent the single, and then maybe
And it comes down the track this time around, throws a kitchen sink.
frustration India will want to build on with those dots.
Only 4 runs coming off it. 132 foot. Are trying to stop. And they eventually get
As bowling, when he started, he was bowling it quicker.
quick to Samir Minhas this time. Yeah, well, as more often than not, it is if you just bowl it a little slower. You need to know. But then, this is a learning curve. They don't need to learn. Yeah, they want the run.
Pace by India. Oh, look at them. They're again very, very ambitious to kind of release the pressure with that shot.
Kanishk Chauhan. Yeah, well, what Pakistan under 19 are doing so well is just continue. That's how they can put pressure.
It's a very
It has to be useful. Dilshan, Dil scoop. Another tidy over comes to an end.
As Samir, elegant as ever. 74 already of 54. That is the key factor to bowl first, considering the conditions would rather.
Streaky. How much credit does go to the Pakistan? But today they seem ready for the fight.
The domestic under-19 competition. Wow, the flow is just brilliant to watch. As the field, Fraz applauds his team along with Mansoor Amjad, the fielding coach. Their response has been brilliant too. They have just turned up with their A game. It's reverse swept and in going their way at the moment. Hussain decides to
And because Hilan Patel has been very good bowler as well. Fast shot third man. When you're into the middle overs, lack of them, that Pakistan under 9. And that's why I ask you about the pitch. So the printer had a field day that day when these posters were.
Oh, this is smashed, and this will sail up.
What a shot that is. As you said, simply majestic.
Beautiful. Sent is what has been outstanding about him. The fast bowling coach and the captain Farhan Yusuf. As this is pulled over mid-wicket this
On, it's better for the spinners to just slow things up a little bit. Like that. Try and invite the batter.
on Ngaba.
Ball percentage. Compared to the average, as of right now, Pakistan is underperformed. But it'll race to the boundary.
Better option to play in front of the wicket, reverse sweep option, when you can do this. And this wasn't.
What was interesting is that he jammed his hand at 9.75, and the main strike bowler, Dipesh Devendran.
Crowd have come in good numbers. A lot of them wait on the outside, enjoying it in the shade.
Showcasing the talent that Samir Minhas has.
To be someone doing all at ease. As it's ship 50 of 60, coming in good time. Hussain has been a busy batter.
Maybe the thought was that they could out earlier, but now that the score is this way, that's gone towards the Samir Minhas.
The last ball, he didn't middle it. Plenty of hearts in their mouth in the dugout as well. As it was a close, says, why now?
Champions Trophy success too. Leading edge. This edition of the DP World Men's Under-19 Asia Cup. Beats the bat.
Khele innings. तो देखते हैं कि आज भी क्या वही सिलसिला जारी रहेगा।
देखिए अपने विकेट पर प्राइस भी आउट नहीं हुए इस टूर्नामेंट में और इनको आउट करना था, तब वही दीपेश सभी ने थोड़ी सी वहां पर दिशाहीन गेंदबाज और उसी के साथ सिंगल के साथ 200 रन भी पूरे। अब तक 3 के से एक विशाल स्कोर की तरफ बढ़ रहा है पाकिस्तान अंडर 19
में 50 पूरा किया ये चौथा, और यहाँ पे स्टेप आउट किया है, बन के रह गए। 30 ओवर की समाप्ति और एक महंगी ओवर साबित होते हुए आज, और ये थी पिछले ओवर की आखिरी गेंद। एक महंगा ओवर,
चलते चहलकदमी दिखाई, बिल्कुल पिचिंग तक पहुंचे
तो 43 बना सकते हैं। अनिश चौहान
सिंगल लेते हुए।
बॉलर्स को, या भारत भी जब बैटिंग करेगा तब उनके लिए इतना ही आसान।
क्लियरली नई गेंद की पिच, यहाँ पर दोबारा वही खिलवाड़,
और इतनी आसान गेंद देंगे तो समीर में थोड़ा चूके, और मिन्हास ने कहा दो। नंबर 3 पर है, तो ये एक अच्छी बात है इनके लिए।
Again, this is India. Just chipped it off the bat of Samir Minhas.
To this fantastic flick shot. That's not very flying sixes. It's going everywhere. Didn't even bother looking at it. A bit of a no-look hit in that.
Yeah, too easy to the pads. He places it nicely. He doesn't get carried away. He keeps his cool. He just does it still going on. 37 to Ahmed Hussain, and.
Oh, nice. Very nice too. And it's time for everyone to have a drink break.
The alarm of danger to the India under 19
batting side. But even that will be a mighty task for even
long batting lineup. The fans are loving it. The fans are loving it. It's going to be an interesting contest, I tell you. But for me,
yeah, not thinking that far ahead. Right, the Spartans to come in the ground to witness some excellent cricket. And coming back to the same point, the contribution only 39, but the contribution from him, it didn't let the pressure get to him. They needed some inspiration. They needed something different to be done in the wrong, I would say, day to switch off. This frustrates the bowler and the captain, Fidai.
How are you? You only have to do it wrong to learn it. After 34, it's 231. Sports Network in Sony Live, Pakistan, PTV in Tamasha, Sri Lanka, 10.
कोई गल नहीं।
Broadcasting that you just mentioned, they've done a great job.
Yeah, well, it's certainly DP World Men's Under 19 Asia Cup 20. Spotlight innings for me is that test match against India. Comes down the track, Samir Minhas.
Yeah, smashing Samir Minhas. With those eyes wide open, focus 100%. Excellent execution. Great.
Knows that it's going to be a little slower than the normal delivery pace. That's very smart from Samir Minhas. Samir Minhas is out in the middle and he is batting on 133.
And Usman. But the contribute, they were very crucial. Of just 14 deliveries, they just set the tone.
In Delhi. Oh, he tries to sweep it. Loud appeal. This is the game of momentum. Now again, if India comes and chases down, comes down the track, plays it beautifully inside it, right? He thought that maybe this has hit the pad. Construct a partnership has been done. You can't now eat up more delivery. And he's still just rotating the strike, which actually he's been doing.
Roshan Abhisinghe, I've seen you dance like that. Really? Where?
Yes, we've held on to those chances. They could have still created some pressure. They created opportunities.
And the player in... And a shot carved out by...
He's picking extra cover. Yeah, look at the foot punch and he's playing it off the front foot. tells
Tries it again, just falls short. Unmukh Chand and Sami Aslam scored centuries, and that was Sami Aslam's 134 with that boundary that he'd hit.
his bat as deep as possible because he is moving the scoreboard quite.
The other side. With the ball
Shot and just hit.
take nothing away from him. For Ahmed Hussain in this final.
Achieved in the tournament so far. Now this is one-handed. Was not in totally control, but had enough legs.
Lost his. It was short and to be hit. Swats it away.
Yep, he was trying to well outside the off stump, in fact, straight to the man. A very safe pair of hands. He goes for 56, Pakistan.
He can take his time to get his eye in.
Can. And what India.
But what jumped out? Heartbreaker for an Indian side as we speak. We don't know because the chase. Wow. You just need to see them and appreciate them.
Again, very manageable. Bounced a bit. And just planting it wherever he likes it.
Where's the effort ball?
Point about the body language of the Indian fielders. It's very important. We didn't, and your shoulders are drooping. That India should not feel is fast. So I'm not in any way taking.
He's off the mark, the captain.
He can see that Minhas is well set at the other.
Slowly creep.
And also they got a so and they're playing risk-free cricket. They don't have to.
Watchfully played.
Was to try, and Kumar has gone for 50 runs in 5 overs. But
Straight back towards the crease. Right chuckle from him. I absolutely agree because Kishan.
I think it was a lengthy bowl. Generally, how he bowls back of a length, bowls into the pitch. But I hope he's brought back some control when the rest of.
Frees his arms. Patel's spell with that maximum. Fought a skyscraper as big as the Burj Khalifa when it comes. Again towards the fielder. Haas.
That was a brain fade.